In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Clarity on Shopify. Microsoft Clarity Shopify Integration. Microsoft Clarity is a free analytics tool from Microsoft that gives you heat maps and session recordings so you can see how shoppers actually interact with your store. By the end, you'll have it installed and capturing insights without touching any code. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open the Apps section. This is where you manage existing apps and discover new ones from the Shopify App Store. If your store has multiple staff accounts, make sure you're using one with permission to install apps. Inside Apps, use the search to quickly find the listing. Begin typing to highlight the right result, then select Microsoft Clarity, AI Insights. You'll be taken to the Apps page with an overview of what it does, screenshots, and the permission details it needs to work. Give that a quick review so you know exactly what's being connected. Click Install to begin. Shopify will show a confirmation screen summarizing the permissions and the store where the app will be added. Click Install again to approve. This second confirmation is normal. It just ensures you're authorizing the app for the correct store and theme setup. Once the installation completes, return to your apps list and open Microsoft Clarity from there. The first time you launch it, you'll see a simple setup flow. Look for the option that takes you to your store settings or theme settings directly from the app. Select Go to Store Settings. This opens your theme editor with the Clarity app embed ready to enable. In the theme editor, the app embed ensures Clarity's tracking code loads across your storefront without manual editing. If you see a toggle for the Clarity embed, make sure it's turned on. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes to your live theme. Saving here is essential. If you close the editor without saving, the tracking won't activate. That's it for the install. From this point forward, Clarity will begin collecting data as visitors browse your site. It can take a little time for the first sessions and heat maps to appear, so don't worry if the dashboard looks quiet right away. For best results, keep your theme published and avoid disabling the embed when making design changes. Also, review your store's privacy and cookie notices to ensure they reflect the use of analytics tools like Clarity. You've successfully connected Microsoft Clarity to your Shopify store, putting power